Children, we are on the third part of lesson 3, class 4 science. Let us see the exercise. Take the correct option. Which of this is an organ of the digestive system, that is mouth? Feces are removed from the body through the anus. Saliva contain enzymes that helps in digestion. We should avoid eating junk food. Fill in the blanks. Many organs work together and help in the process of digestion. The tongue helps in the proper mixing of saliva with the food. The food becomes a soup-like paste in the stomach. Lack of urine can disrupt the process of digestion. Lack of water. Lack of water can disrupt the process of digestion. Urine is stored inside the urinary bladder. Right, true and false for the statement. Rectum is an organ of the excretory system. It is false. The process of digestion starts in the mouth. True. The food is broken down further into smaller pieces by churning inside the mouth. True. Urine is formed inside the urethra. It is false. We should drink sufficient amount of water daily. True. A regular bowel movement is important to maintain proper functioning of our body. True. Once again I am repeating. First one is false. Second one is true. Third one is true. Fourth one is false. Fifth one is true. Last one is true. Then match the following. Liver, it will be bile. Large intestine absorbs water. Undigested food causes constipation. Fiber-rich food, oats and beans. Urethra, release urine. Coming to name the following. It is produced by the salivary gland, saliva. It helps to push the food down into the stomach, food pipe. Feces are stored here for a short time before being passed out. Rectum. There are two reddish bean-shaped organs in our body. Kidney. These thin tubes carry urine to the urinary bladder from the kidney, ureters. Coming to the question answer part, lesson 3 G Science. Answer the following. What is digestion? Name the organs of the digestive system. The process by which food is broken down into simpler form so that it can be easily taken in or absorbed by our body is called digestion. The mouth, food pipes, stomach, small and large intestines, liver, rectum and anus are the main organs of the digestive system. Coming to the second question, what happens to the food in the small intestine? From the stomach, the food passes into the small intestine, which is a long and hollow tube-like structure. A digestive juice called the bile pours into the small intestine from the liver, and some digestive juices are produced by the pancreas also. In the small intestine, the food is digested and the useful nutrients are absorbed into blood, and then blood carries these nutrients to different parts of our body. Coming to the third question, write the functions of any two organs of the excretory system. Functions of any two organs of excretory system are: first one is kidney. It helps to filter and absorb the waste from blood and release it in the form of urine. Urinary bladder, it helps to store urine. 2 I have written, you can write any two of your choice. Why is drinking water essential for our digestive system? Drinking water is essential for our digestive system as water helps in the removal of solid waste from our body and prevents the stomach walls from coming in direct contact with acids produced by the stomach walls. It also helps in the absorption of food and nutrients in the intestine. Coming to question number 5. List 5 healthy eating habits which lead to good digestion. It is there in page 33. You can write any 5 of your choice. Here are the points you can see in page 33. Healthy eating habits related to digestion and excretion. Any 5 of your choice you can select and write. Coming to the next part. Draw a well-leveled diagram of the digestive system. It is there in page 30 from book. Digestive system diagram is there in page 30. You can see this is the picture. You have to draw and level it. Coming to the next. This is the picture study. Here is a slight mistake. Renal vein, it is showing the arrow. This actually blue color, this one will be a renal vein. First one renal vein, then is kidney, then is ureter, then urinary bladder, urethra. I have given here arrow mark. You can see this black color. This is blue color one is actually the renal vein. Slight mistake is there. It is showing over here, but actually it will be from here. Thank you.